A bird just flew over by. And let's see if we got it. Hopefully, yep. All right, people are gonna wonder if I added that in Photoshop later. All right, what's up everybody? We are here at the Space Needle and I'm gonna show you guys something really cool you could do on a bright sunny day. Typically on bright sunny days, it's not really a good time to shoot because the sun is very harsh. But today we're gonna use that to our advantage. A minute ago, I was waiting for my wife to pick up a Seattle dog. And I was taking shots of the Space Needle, looking for some crazy or different angles. So as I was shooting through the trees at f/16, we got Sunstars. Typically at nighttime, you could do that. You shoot a long exposure on f/11 and f/16. The street lights will turn into stars. I'm gonna see if we can do it with the Space Needle as the foreground element, and then we'll get the sun to, well, do a sun star, even though it's a star, but okay, whatever, let's go, keep rolling. All right, so the sun is slightly behind the Space Needle. I'm gonna take a shot. We're at f/16, a 60th of a second, ISO 50, and right now, that is no bueno. You're gonna have to work it a little bit, move your feet, and as I'm looking up, I can already see some of the sun stars. Let's take a peek. Wow, all right, not bad. Let's take a few more while we're here. Background music is provided by, I don't know their name, but. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It looks like something out of a science fiction film. And the key is when you're taking pictures, you gotta always watch your surroundings. The other crazy thing is, we'll see if we can bring it back in post, but there's like a rainbow around the sun. So right now we're just gonna wiggle over. You know, take a shot so you can see the difference what a few steps makes. See, look, check it out.
Very nice. Very nice. I would have just thought that was in my way.
All right, everybody. So as my wife was getting tickets, we're walking down this hallway, and then I see these flowers, and then I thought to myself, holy cow, this would be like really nice to do the starburst thing with the flowers in the shot. So now we're gonna give it another go, and I think this might actually be more cooler than before. So again, you want to block the sun, have something blocking the sun to have the rays peeking through. So I'm gonna step in a little closer. Wow, holy cow. I'm just gonna use my feet to wiggle in. We're at f/16, 1/60th of a second, and ISO 50. My wife is gonna like when she sees this, and I'm sure you people at home will as well. And the key is when you're taking pictures, never just take one. You always gotta take multiple while you're there, and then do it quickly so your wife doesn't get too crazy on you. But this will be worth it. Another crazy thing is today there's like a rainbow around the sun. You could kind of see it with your naked eye, but see actually right there. You see. Crazy. All right. So I'm just gonna take a few pictures, work the scene, and now I'm gonna aim for one of the flowers to have the sun like right in the middle. I probably look like a crazy person right now. And always look for like the little things in the shot that could ruin it. Like right now it's this blue thing. So as I took the shot, I took a peek and I don't like it. So we're gonna use our feet to find the right angle. And this blue thing is gonna be in the way no matter what I do. And as you're shooting, you can kind of see the stars, the little light rays. A bird just flew over by, and let's see if we got it. Hopefully, yep. Alright, people are gonna wonder if I added that in Photoshop later. My eyes are a little burnt out from staring into the sun, but let's see what my wife says.
Yep. There's a bird in there.
So she won't.
Pretty good.
Alright, take a few more and then we will keep it moving. Sure, that rainbow, we could bring it back in Lightroom. There's actually a rainbow, so I'm gonna try and center it around that one flower. And this blue sign we could edit out in Photoshop as long as there's nothing behind it and it's just clear blue. But when it was in front of the flowers, no bueno. All right, pushing my luck with my wife. Let's keep it moving.
Glad you realized that.
I know, but I gotta do it when I'm out here.